Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do building glitches in Heartopia using PC. Like when building houses in Heartopia, sometimes you need glitch or overlapping techniques to create more aesthetic constructions or unique designs for your home. And this trick is usually easier on mobile, but sometimes for the PC users doesn't know it yet. But actually PC user can do it too. For example, in here I'm going to overlap the two stairs in here. This one. I'm going to overlap two stairs to create a corner staircase for my house. First, just place one stair in the positions that you want, like this. For example, like this. I will just go to the build advanced mode, like this. For example, like this, and then after that, just move the stairs into an invalid area until you see the red indicator like this. Red indicator or white placement outline like this. And after that, this is where we perform the glitch. Just to do it, just click and hold the check icon, this one, and then just drag your cursor to the eye icon at the top right corner and release it there while double clicking quickly, like this. Just click and hold and then just release while double clicking, like this. You can see it's already placed invalid on new locations, like this. And then if this stair returns to its original positions, just repeat the glitch until you successfully move the stairs like this. And once these stairs successfully move, just add another stairs on here, like this. I will place it like this. Just add this like this, touching the other corner like this. And then next, just simply tap on save. And then after that, just tap on complete. And then like this. Once you go back, you will see these stairs that you moved earlier return to its original positions, like this. You can see the stairs has returned like this to original positions, but now it overlaps with the new stairs and creating a nice corner staircase like this. It's so beautiful, right? It's so aesthetic. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.